Now the next point is ensuring justice. Ensuring justice, once again, is not as simple as you watch in the movie or in cartoons and video games where vigilantes like Green Arrow, Batman go around and dish out justice just by beating up criminals and putting them in prison.
I'm Batman.
It does not work that way in real life. Let's just face it. Now, so what does it mean? Let's go back to one topic previously where you will learn about the role of the, start with a J. I hope you're going with judiciary. Now, the judiciary's role is to interpret laws. These laws are interpreted so as to better know how to implement them to protect Singaporeans and their property once again. For example, the family justice courts provide guidelines on what is defined as family justice, the conditions to apply for personal protection order, PPO, which is a very good example that you can write in your essays. With the PPO, the court can take action to prevent or restrict a person from entering an applicant's house or even coming near an applicant of the PPO. So it is basically what you do watch in the TV shows and drama serials where a witness has Witness Protection Act, okay, which is or Witness Protection Order, which you see in a lot of American TV shows and movies where the witness is always being protected by none other than the FBI.
FBI! Clear right!
Lock it down! Lock it down! Wait! I'm just a cousin! I'm just a cousin!
But in Singapore's case, the person in question is usually protected not by the FBI obviously, okay, but by the authorities to ensure that PPO is being maintained and the person's safety is always upheld. So let's talk about the link for ensuring justice. So citizens now can live in security knowing that the law is being implemented to protect them and also their property and to ensure that they have security once again. And this results in confidence and trust in the government in executing the law. And Singaporeans know that their way of life is being protected and they have security living in this country.